guys, I'm Keenan Crooner from Austin here, and today we're gonna take a look at this Dandy singing bunny. It's a flower dancing bunny. It's made by Dandy. He sings Easter Parade. See? Yep, so this is the Dandy singing flower bunny. Yep, he's really cute. He sings Easter Parade. Yep, that bunny has his flower outfit on. Yep, it's made by Dandy, and it takes 2 AA batteries. Yep. So here is where I'm looking at. Yep. So I'm gonna so goodbye and have a great day.